Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the stamp duty calculator on the realestate.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app and click on the profile button, then tap on my finances, which is the second option. Then you should scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find the calculators. Slide to the left side and click on the third option, stamp duty. Here you can see that stamp duty is a tax on a property transaction, so you should select your state and the territory of the property. Then you should indicate the property value on this slide. Then you should set the property type, primary residence or investment property, first home buyer, yes or no. And here you have the fee breakdown into mortgage registration fee, transfer fee and the stamp duty. And here you have the total government fees at the bottom of the page. If you want, you can view the calculator assumptions by tapping on this button down below, so that you can check it out in more details. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.